Hey, what's up, BTT holder? So today video is going to be very special for Bittorrent holder because this is the end of this month and everybody do this mistake very deeply, my friend. To they sell it at just at this time, my friend. So this is absolutely very big mistake to you sell it at this time. Please hold it and wait for the end of this video, my friend. I tell you, to this is selling time, my friend, or holding time, or buying time. So let's see, my friend. First of all, we do a prediction of BTT holder, my friend. Please, BTT holder, please try to understand, this is very critical situation. Keep watch this video and understand what I talk you. So please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel for latest news and update. This time, my friend, I come to the point. Change occur in the last 1 hour as a negative minus 0.8%. This is very bad for this coin, because this time every day in those days every holder are starting buying, and absolutely, my friend, this is very good time to them moving up. But I can't believe it. How is it possible today fails down, my friend? I think the buyer, the seller is very high, my friend, and a lot of holders do this mistake to they starting selling and this time, so they cannot take a very good profit. They are in the loss. So, my friend, what's my prediction? Let's get started, my friend. First of all, the prediction to upcoming days, they moving up or they fails down. This is very important for me and also for you, my friend. So let's see. If you can see here, my friend, this time on the last 7 days chart already open now, and here, if you can see here, my friend, they are the very by the very highest point, my friend. You can see here as they cross the resistance line. You can see here, if we draw resistance line here, my friend, then absolutely, my friend, we are right. You can see here, and here as the third line, my friend, they are in the last very bad fall, my friends, point touch it. You can see here. So if you can see here, my friend, they moving in the circulation, my friend. All cryptocurrencies moving in this time, my friend. So sometimes they cannot cross the resistance line, but sometimes they cross it. So therefore the change occur is in positive, my friend. So if you remember, my friend, I told you my previous video, to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. This is the circulation style of all cryptocurrencies. So therefore definitely BTT is also after a high jump fails down, and after this fails they take a jump. You can see here they're moving in this circulation everywhere, my friend. So what we do, if you can see here, after this fails, you can see here, if you remember, the last 1 hour also is a negative, my friend. So therefore they also fails down after this small jump, and I hope in upcoming days they also take a very high jump after this fail, my friend. So please hold it, please hold it. In upcoming days the good time is coming soon now. I hope they give you very good profit. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. Just 2 days more wait, please. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.